my YouTube channel. Okay, good. Let's get this started with here. Here we have a picture. Okay, lection lection is banen to transport. Hvordan kommer du i skole? Hvordan kommer du i skole? Jeg kører på cykel. Jeg kører. Jeg kører på cykel. Remember this word på cykel. På cykel. På cykel. Hvem er dig? What about you? Jeg tager bussen. Jeg tager bussen. Bussen. Okay, we are using en here because it is in bus. The bus. Hvorfor en bus tager du? Or you can say vilken bus tar du? So vilken because it is in bus. We can say varför in bus tar du? Here that mean what kind of bus? Okay, varför in bus or vilken bus the same. Okay, both you can use it. Vilken because it is in bus or varför in bus. Jag tar bus nummer 6A. Och ingang emellan. Remember, ingang emellan. In this word, you can make innovation. Okay, inversion. You can make inversion for the verb. It comes before, then the subject, or then the noun. Okay, ingang. I mean, we have learned before when it comes adverb, central adverb, or adverb like places, for example, in Copenhagen, in Denmark, in Iran, in Morocco, in Istanbul, cities. Always you have to make innovation if the word coming at the first in the sentence. Okay, Istanbul, Boayai, for example, like this. Or if it's coming, for example, the central, we call it central adverbs like disuden, or for example also the ifta or bay ifta. Okay, these words, if it's coming at the front, you have to make innovation too. Therefore viljai, therefore buayai. You don't say therefore yai bua. Okay, it's incorrect. So therefore yai bua. Okay, therefore buayai. So here ingang emillem sometimes. Okay, ta, this is the verb ta, and this is the subject. Remember that always. If you have like this word or places or, for example, school or university or what kind, of it's coming in the front. Remember the verb, it comes first, then the subject or the noun, okay, or the pronoun. So ta yai. Toll, toll. Remember, you can say here chaya ito, but we don't know what kind of train. But here, when we say toll, so that means you confirm that train, and you know what kind of a train. So toll, bussen. So we know what kind of bus I will go. I know what kind of a train. So toll, it is bestimmt, okay, intel. Bestimmt intel. Okay, if it's, for example, here, if I want to say, why it's coming like that? Okay, like this. If I want to say it to, this is obestimmt. Obestimmt intel. Obestimmt, they call it an article. And then, for example, in English, a car or a train. Okay, a train or a car. If I want to say toll, okay, so this means the train. Okay, ito toll, ito toll, and G is silent here. Okay, J is silent here. Okay, you don't pronounce it toll, and here the T at the last, you can pronounce it like the in English, toll. told. Okay, ito told. Okay, told. Okay, told. Okay, told. Good. Wolfga, Wolfga, Fra Soodhound, Fra Soodhound. Okay, here we have some. If you want to say, vad den kan du I skolan, vad den kan du på arbete, for example, på arbete. Arbete here, it's not a verb. Okay, arbete here, it is a noun, a work. Okay, a work, that's mean a work or work. Okay, because we have in English we have work as a verb. I work every day and I go to the work. So the work, it is a noun. I work, it is a verb. In Danish we have the same. Jeg arbejder. Jeg. Oh, okay, here you can say jeg arbejder. Jeg arbejder. Okay, here it is a verb. Jeg arbejder, it is a verb. But when you say jeg skal på arbejde, okay, if you want to say jeg skal på arbejde. Arbejde. Okay, so jeg arbejder. Jeg skal på arbejde. Or på arbejde here, it is a noun. På arbejde, it is a noun. Or you can say jeg skal arbejde I dag. Look here to the verb is very important. Yes, jeg skal arbejde I dag. Jeg skal arbejde I dag. Okay? Jeg skal arbejde I dag. Here it is a verb. Verb number one because of the modal verb. And here the verb number two. So there are two verbs. Modal verb can, må, skal, bør. Okay? And then if it's coming the modal verb, here the second verb without R. Always. Always. If it's coming jeg må arbejde, jeg kan arbejde, jeg skal arbejde. Okay? So jeg skal arbejde, jeg må arbejde here without R. Never put R here. Okay? For the second verb. But if the verb without the modal verb, like normal verb as a present, here you have to add R to the verb. Jeg arbejder, jeg skal arbejde. Okay? Or jeg skal på arbejde. På arbejde, here it's not coming as a verb, here it comes like a noun. Okay? So there are three things here. Try to read it. Jeg skal. Jeg skal på arbejde. Okay, arbejde, sorry. Okay, so here it comes like a noun because of po. Okay, so here på arbejde, I'm going to the work. Okay, jeg skal på arbejde, I will go to the work. Here that's mean to the work. Okay, here jeg skal på arbejde, I will work. I will work. Okay, I will work. Here skal, it comes like skal, like will. Sometimes it comes like have, like I should, like for example I must. Okay, here jeg skal på arbejde or jeg arbejder I dag. So here it comes like will. Jeg arbejder, I work. Remember these rules, please, when you are writing. Try to remember if there is a modal verb, don't add R to the verb. Never. If there is no modal verb, just present, add ER to the verb or R to the verb. Okay? Here it comes arbeide for three forms. Arbeide, jeg skal arbejde. Jag ska på arbete. Okej? Good. Remember that. Jag kör på cykel. Vem är dig? Jag kör. Okay? Kör. Here it is present. Jag kör. I ride. Okay? I ride the bike. Okay? I ride on my bike. Okay? I ride on my bike or on bike. Okay? Jag kör. Sometimes kör that mean drive. Okay? Drive if you have a car. Ride if you have a bike. So drive if you have a car. Ride if you have if you have a bike. Okay? Or drive if you have a car. Okay? So, jag kör på cykel. Vem är dig? What about you? Okay? Jag tar bussen. I take the bus. Or I get the bus. Or I go by bus. Jag tar bussen. I take the bus. Here. And remember here, because here we have E and word, E and in bus. Okay? So here it is the noun here, it is a bus. If you convert it into, okay, into this is obestämt intel. But if you want to make it bestämt intel, here you have to add bo, s-e-n, busen. Here it comes extra boost, extra s, because here is the model, here is the vowel letter. Okay, that's why it's coming. Sometimes when there is three words, as like English, when there are three words, okay, like fly in English, here you have to convert or to add. Okay, in English we don't teach English right now, but if there are two, so here you have to add double. Okay, double, because of the letter here, it is a vowel letter. So busen, busen, here it comes like bestimmt intel. Okay, remember that. Yata busen, yata tol. Okay, yata tol, yata tol, for example, or yata busen. Okay, remember that. You can say yata in bus. Okay, very good. You can say yata in bus. But I don't know what kind of bus that you are going. Yata in bus. Maybe you don't like to tell me what kind of bus that I'm taking. Yata in bus is okay, but yata busen, so you know what kind of bus that you are going on. Okay, two difference, logical. Yata in bus, okay, but you don't know what kind of bus that you are going on. You don't like to tell them about the bus. But when you say yatabusin, yatatol, so you know inside you, you know what kind of a train that you are going on or what kind of bus you are going on. Okay, remember. Here yatabusin, because I told you yatabusin, because he knows what kind of car, what kind of bus that he is going. So the bus is 6A. Okay, good. Ingang emilim, sometimes samatilla, you can say samatilla, okay? Samatilla, it is also, you can make innovation here. Innovation here. Here you are, so samatilla tayay chol or ingang emilim tayay chol. This is the meaning. Okay, samatilla, sometimes I'm taking, in English you don't make inversion, okay, but in Danish you have to make inversion if there is a central adverb. Okay, tai chol, because I know what kind of a train. Okay, if you say tai itcho, here, like here, tai itto, but what kind of a train that you are going on? I don't know. Chaya Ito. Maybe A, maybe B, maybe F, maybe O or something. But here, because I know what kind of train that I'm going on. Okay. So, Yaita Tol. Okay. A or F. Okay. Yaita Tol. Fra. and or you can get confirmation here, ligne A. So I give ligne A because I know what kind of a train that I'm going on. Okay, I'll take it. Okay, move, move forward or toward Glostrup to the city. Okay, Ito toll. Remember that I will ask you about it. Ito toll. Ito, it is U bestimmt intel. Toll bestimmt intel. Okay, good. Wovra, remember, Wovra ask about the specific place. Wovra, from which place, or Vilken, or fra vilket still. Okay, vilket. Okay, so Wovra, fra Sulhan, Wovra, fra Istanbul, Wovra, Glostrup, Wovra, Lumbi. Okay, or Firom, or whatever city. Good. Remember this, please. And here we have the Danish English words. Go, walking, walking. L here is silent in English, remember. Okay, L, not walking, walking. Go, cykla, cycling. Köra på, ride on, ride on. Köra med, go by, go by. Köra med, go by. Köra i, drive in, drive in, drive in. Tabusin, take the bus. Look here, the bus. Tabusin, take the bus. Ta taxa, go by taxi. Go by taxi or take a taxi. Okay? Kıyamıl toll, go by train. Go by train. Ta toll, take the train. Okay? Kıyamıl Kıyamıl toll, go by train. Kıya here, that's mean go. That's mean go. Kıya mean here drive. Kıya means here go. Okay? Kıya mean here. So here, see how many words here meaning give can meaning. So kıya, right? Because kıya po, because it is a bike. Kıya e, drive in, drive in. Okay, because it is a car. Because it is a car. Köye i, köye i. So go på, köye med, go by. Okay, go by. Köye med, so that's mean take. Okay, that's mean take. So there are three meaning for köye. Köye på, köye i, or köye med. Okay, three meaning. Köye med toll, take the train or go by train. Köye i, drive in, drive in. Kıyamıl, kıyamıl, you can say go by, go by, or kıyapo, that's mean ride on. Okay, let's get to read it in English. How do you go, or how do you get? How do you go? How do you get? I ride a bike, or I ride on my bike, or I ride by my bike. You can say I ride on my bike or ride a bike. You don't know what kind of bike that you are riding on. What about you? I take the bus. What kind of bus are you taking? What kind of bus are you taking? See, look here. Are you taking? It is present continuous. Okay, but in Danish we don't have it in present continuous. What kind of here? Hvorfor in påstår du? Okay, So it is simple. I take the bus. You can say I take the bus number 6A, or I'm taking the bus 6A. Okay? And once in a while, or sometimes, I take the train line A towards to Glossop, okay, or the direction to Glossop. From where Wofa'in or Wofcha fra Sudhown, fra Sudhown. Okay, friends. So this is now. Let me